Logan's attempt to be what, Superman? Let's see what happens when he does this.
Whoa.
Try that.
Huh?
Try it, Daddy.
No, you try it again.
I don't have any powers.
But I do.
Let me see.
Let me see.
See, I told you.
Wow.
Try it on something else.
Wow.
I did it in the box.
How about 2 arms? Oh, oh my goodness. Wow. You do.
I have superpower in my tummy because that's food.
That's right. What did you eat?
Waffles.
Waffle? Maybe waffles does make you be like Superman.
And Darth Vader.
And Darth Vader. No, just one. Wow, look at that.
Where is it?
What are you looking for?
I love Superman. Do you like Superman?
Yes, I do.
And I like Superman and Batman.
You do?
Yes.
But see, you have superpowers. I don't. Watch me. Watch. Ready?
No, they're like
See?
this.
Nothing. Like that? Okay. Let me see. Nothing. How about you? I don't believe it. You have superpowers and Daddy doesn't.
And they have superpowers.
Let me see.
Harder. Not 2 hands.
Nothing. You try it. Only you have superpowers, my son.
Wow.
Are you Kal-El?
Not Superman.
Okay.
When Spider-Man has webs, she could do like this.
Oh my God.
See, I could do like that.
You can. How did you do that? Where did you get your superpower?
And I
Your
took
Superman power? In your tummy?
I took it away.
From who?
The waffles.
Oh my goodness.
I ate all of the waffles.